Now I've almost completed the bone structure for my dinner party, but before I finish, I need to make sure that I cited everything that I opened. So what I did is I went through each of the tabs that I had open at the top of my bar, and I cited them. Let me show you one example. Do you remember this article that started the whole thing when we got excited about this? So I copy that URL. I'm in my EasyBib project that I've already created, and it found the article. Now, it didn't find everything that I tried to do, so some of it I had to do a little bit manually. But this was one that was found. I'm going to continue. I go through here, complete the site. If I needed to add anything, I add it there. I complete the citation, and it adds it to my list. Now, here are all my lists of beautiful articles that we just reviewed while creating the bones for our project. So here we go. We're going to select all. We're going to export the list, and we're going to export it to a Word doc. We're going to let that think a second. Now, after that finished thinking, it created the works cited page in my document. Isn't it beautiful? But I'm not quite through yet. I need to enable editing, and I need to go through here. This is a huge gap here. So we need to take this gap out, right? Now that looks good. We need to make sure that all of these look good because some of those images were really hard for me to do. And this one is a repeat, so I got to take that out. I'm just going to delete that. There we go. Looks good, looks good, looks good, looks good. See, this was that picture that I was trying to do, but it just didn't show up for me. So I already have it posted in other places, so I'm not going to be worried about that. Trying to find our philosopher was difficult, and it kept saying it couldn't find the page and it couldn't access that, whatever system that was. So I just added Mercy College EDU because that's where we found him, and the reader will just know that that's what we located. That's the best I could do for that one. Let's see. I think we have a repeat here, so I'm going to take that out. And delete that. There we go. Oops. I did it there a bunch of times. Because as I went through and I just made those copies, sometimes I went through and I got everything twice. So now the image that I used is from the official website, and the official website shown here. So I'm going to keep that because I want to make sure that is taken care of. Now the rest of it looks good, doesn't it? Just beautiful. So I'm going to save it, but just to make sure, because I like backups for the backups, I'm going to copy this. And remember this document that we created that shows just my bone structure for this, for my own purposes? I'm going to add it there just to make sure I don't want to go back and do all that work again. So now I have completed my cause, why I'm having the party, what kind of party I'm going to have, who my guests are, who my surprise guest at the end of the party is going to be. I've completed a works cited from all of that work. And I am now going to save this, and I'm going to walk away from the computer for the rest of the day. And I'm going to take a break, and I'm going to go to the movies or go with my friends and have some coffee, because that is enough work for one day. That concludes this tutorial on completing the bone structure for the dinner party.